So my experience overall, I'm not gonna lie, it has been absolutely outstanding. Lou and the professionals here at InVisions have been nothing but helpful, supportive, and outstanding as far as encouraging, the process. When I first joined here, my hairline was receding a bit. Never really had confidence issues, but as your hair diminishes over time, you start to lose it a little bit. So I was looking into alternatives. I found Envisions and Lou here, and he offered some options, and I went with the hair piece, and I can say it's been a really great experience from inception. I have had a lot of confidence restored, even though being a confidence guy from the get-go. I've really found that my lifestyle hasn't changed at all. I am actively working out still. I work in a professional job environment as well, which gives me that extra confidence to go into meetings, talk with my CEO, and just have that sense of natural feeling that I used to have when I had my full hair. And I think it's something that allows you to really regain that sense of original look that you had while being able to keep your lifestyle the same, working out, getting your hair wet, showering. Nothing changes. It's just an improvement in your overall well-being, I would say, as if you were taking care of your body. It's taking care of your health, your scalp, and that confidence to regain it. It's something that's hard to do, and with a company and a business like Envisions and the support that you get throughout, I think it's really a no-brainer if you are looking into something like this. I can say, it's been, again, nothing but positive, especially not having the hair that I used to have and going into my wedding looking for a solution for that and coming out with results like this. It's truly something to be impressed by. And if you are seriously considering this, I would highly consider talking to Lou and the team here. They provide nothing but great results and service, as I mentioned.